Hey y'all, Anson here over at Ivey Forge. So I'm not even going to edit this video. I just want to throw it out as just a quick shop update. So we can pan around. All right, so this is more of the finished side as we're going through. Let's go take a look. All right, so I got it almost completely dried in. There's still a couple things in there, but I do have the forge put in. I had a cabinet that I flipped over on the side, and I'm gonna use as a bench. That way I can mount my vise to that. The chair doesn't normally stay in here; it moves. I got my anvil. Trash can, a couple other things. All right, so there we go. It's one step closer to getting my shop. Bugs attacking me. Got what? Stupid bug, get away from me. All right, like I said, I'm not gonna edit this, so I'm just gonna throw it up. All right, so one step closer to getting the shop back up and running. It's still the same size. It's a 8 foot by 8 foot, and the inner dimensions outside is like 8 foot by 7 inches or something like that. It does make some of these little things difficult. As you see, I got a gap, another gap, but hey, I just went and got the stock, didn't cut anything, just started putting it together. All right, making it happen. I did reutilize some of the stuff from the old shop. As you can see, I put in some of that black sheathing on the inside of the walls, and then the back side and the other side is still not finished. I still gotta go get a couple more pieces, and then obviously a few more pieces for the roof. All right, there we go. Hopefully I get a chance to forge next weekend, now that I actually got it set up and going. And hey, y'all subscribe if you haven't done so already. Give me a thumbs up if you like the shop. Throw down any comments you might have, something you might want to see in the future. And see y'all next one. Bye.